$1,205 here. I'll say 2.5. You nod and I'll say it now. At 1,205.5, 2.5. 1,207.5. 1,207.5. 1,207.5 there, so you almost had it. You almost had it. One good bid, I dare say, could be the number for you. I dare say it's going to be that lucky number there for you there, sir. And you're going to give yourself every opportunity at 1,207.5. Good bid right now, could be the number for you at 1,207, and the bid is the buy. Sir, up to 10, 1,210. You're out now. You've given yourself every opportunity. Commiserations to you. If you want to bid again, just let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to call it and put it in favour of the party right there. At 1,210,000 now, the party tells me they're out. There's no further bidding. I'm selling at 1,210,000 now. Apple, fair warning, done. Selling. First. Second. You sure? I know you're not sure. Third and final time, I'll say one. Third and final time at 1,210,000 now for 1,000 if you like. You're out. You're saying it again at 1,210,000. Here I go. Selling. No further bidding. Fair warning. Done. Sold. Well done, sir. Congratulations there to you. Good bidding.
Communication superb throughout. Absolutely superb throughout. As you said, when you first said, I will be here for you guys at any stage, you were true to your word the whole way through, and that's really, really helpful.
And I think as well it was just the balance was right, so it wasn't over communication,
yes.
or it wasn't under. We just, because we're both busy, we work
yes.
full time,
yeah.
we have a busy life, and it just was just the right amount of communication, I think.
Yeah,
Who got the right man for the job?
Appreciate it.
You were the right man for the job. Look at the result.
Thank you. And overall, our team, the Lane Simmons, how did we perform in one team? Were we?
You were very much as a team. We didn't see individuals, or you were communicating well.
Yeah.
As I say, the whole process was very comfortable for us. We didn't feel any pressure, and I can't believe it's auction
Thank you.
day. It's
So,
gone so fast.
Yep.
It's been very smooth.
Auction day today, the reserve was 960,
Yep.
and the first offer exceeded the reserve
Yep.
at 1.210. How do you feel? I know you said I have to pinch you, but I'm going to do that now.
Yeah, exactly.
Wake up. So overall,
Ah,
It was
Yeah,
amazing.
we're blown away.
Amazing result. We never expected it to get. I know you jokingly, quoted figures, but we never expected to get to that.
nowhere near it.
So it's
Well, I
very much
just-
the icing on the cake. I think.
thank you. So I just want to really finalize this. I just really, truly, from the bottom of our Lane Simmons Newtown heart, thank you so much for working with us, and for believing in we will do a great job, and hopefully we'll continue working with you guys and friends and relatives in the future. So, well, folks, that's it from us. 18 Carrington Street, sold today. Beautiful family moved on, and another beautiful family moving in. Reserve 960 and sold for 1.210.
Yes.
So, thank you so much.
Thank you.